Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2020 Chevy Traverse 1LT. This all-wheel drive Traverse comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your back tinted windows, and 18-inch bright silver painted aluminum wheels. Now, when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have ash gray cloth seating with a leather steering wheel. Now, when it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have heated seating on both sides, a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, push to talk, a heated steering wheel, front collision alert, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.